Hey everyone, the Oppo Pad 3 Pro has been officially listed ahead of its expected release on October 24th, along with Oppo's much-anticipated Find X8 series. This latest tablet release has garnered attention, not only for its specs, but also for its distinctions from the similarly positioned OnePlus Pad 2, which launched a few months ago. A notable point of comparison is that earlier rumors suggested the OnePlus Pad 2, which retails for $499, would be released in China under the Oppo Pad 3 name. However, the official listing confirms it will be sold as the Oppo Pad 3 Pro, with several enhancements over the OnePlus model. One major distinction is in the processing power. While the OnePlus Pad 2 utilizes the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Oppo Pad 3 Pro steps up the game with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version processor, offering improved performance, which should appeal to those seeking top-tier tablet capabilities, particularly in gaming or heavy multitasking. Oppo has expanded its lineup to include more variety. The base model will have 8 gigs RAM and 256 gigs of storage, but buyers can also opt for higher variants with 12 gigs RAM or even 16 gigs RAM paired with up to 1 terabyte of storage. In comparison, the OnePlus Pad 2 only offers 2 configurations, 8 and 12 gigs RAM with either 128 or 256 gigs of storage. Another key difference between the two tablets is the aesthetics. The Oppo Pad 3 Pro comes in night blue and dawn gold, offering a more premium feel with concentric circle patterns on the back, setting it apart from the Nimbus gray finish of the OnePlus Pad 2. This design change gives the Oppo model a distinctive, eye-catching look. The listing also notes the availability of optional accessories like a stylus and keyboard, enhancing its productivity potential. As of now, Oppo has started taking reservations for the tablet, but pricing information remains unannounced. However, given the specs and feature enhancements over the OnePlus Pad 2, it's likely to command a higher price point. In conclusion, the Oppo Pad 3 Pro is shaping up to be a powerful tablet with considerable options for memory and storage, a premium design, and a processor upgrade that distinguishes it from its competitors. With its October 24th launch coinciding with the unveiling of the Find X8 series, it will be interesting to see how the market responds to this high-end device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.